Good evening, ladies and gents. Just a very quick video to tell you about some amazing news which has come out of Leonardo in the last day, and that is Leonardo AI is joining forces with Canva. So if you do not know what Canva is a website where you have loads of templates, loads of kind of graphic design kind of options for kind of beginners to novices, all the rest of it, and some more powerful tools for the advanced user as well. Leonardo AI announced yesterday that they are going to be joining forces with Canva and actually combining some of their features as well. We've got no real kind of details yet about what's going to be happening, but this is an amazing, massively big piece of news which has come out of Leonardo AI, and it is going to be amazing to see what features this actually brings both to Leonardo and to Canva as well. I've already read that Leonardo features will be featuring on certain parts of Canva, and I expect there will be certain parts of Canva featuring on Leonardo. Now, I use both of these platforms, and they are both very, very good platforms, and having them actually combined together, I think, is an amazing idea, which is going to be opening up a huge realm of possibilities for both platforms, and I'm going to be very, very intrigued to watch just how this kind of develops. So in the news article on the Leonardo website, which I will leave a link in the description box below for you, it says that this partnership is actually going to allow them to scale up their research and actually increase the amount of kind of work that is going into building up what is currently one of the best AI image generators already out there. With this combined kind of workforce now, it looks like that the Leonardo AI platform is going to be getting bigger and bigger, quicker and quicker, which is an amazing thing. Again, no real kind of detail, just a bit of kind of general kind of news and everything from this, but it does say a couple of times in the news article that they are going to be increasing their kind of research efforts. They are going to be bringing features of Canva onto Leonardo and vice versa. Haven't really explained anything in full detail yet, but the possibilities here are going to be endless. I think this is such a good shout from both sides here. I think this is going to be massively mutually beneficial for both platforms, and I think going forward there are going to be some real tough challenges for other platforms to now keep up with Leonardo and Canva, and I am glad that really I moved over to Leonardo a few months ago. Every single day I am very glad I did, because every single day there seems to be more and more newer stuff coming out, and it is just getting bigger and better every single day. We've already seen a massive kind of change in Leonardo from when I first looked at it roughly about a year ago to now. It is getting bigger and better every single day with new features, new presets, new elements, loads of new stuff coming in, and with this news here, even bigger stuff is on the horizon as well. So let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you are excited about this partnership between Canva and Leonardo. Like I said, we don't really know exactly what this is going to be bringing to both platforms yet, but I will be putting out another news video as soon as we kind of know what is going on. But thank you very much for watching, folks. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, all that lovely fan-dooby-tastic stuff, and I hope to catch you in the next video.